What's in it for them? That's a question we get a lot, asking what is in it for the CPA, the accountant, in potentially partnering with a financial advisor, an insurance agent, going through the team-based model. Why would they want to adopt this multidisciplinary or virtual family office type of experience for their clients? Oftentimes when I get that question, what's in it for them? It's in the platform of like an Instagram or a Facebook or a YouTube where people are just looking for one or two sentences for me to explain to them what is our prepackaged solution to whatever problem they might have. And here's the issue I always have with that. How can I simply tell you what's in it for the CPA when I don't know what CPA we're talking about, right? If you go in with a prepackaged solution, then what you really are is a salesman because you can't have a prepackaged solution for a variety of potential problems. What really you should be focused on is what is that individual's issues, problems, what are they trying to accomplish, and then can I help them get there? If the answer is no, then it's simply next. If the answer is yes, then we lead them through a process. So I don't try to skirt that answer, but I want people to understand it's not as simple as what's the benefit of an ETF? What's the benefit of an annuity? What's the benefit of a life insurance? Those are all products. What we are doing here is we are approaching a professional with a process, and any good process will identify what the problems are, and then do we have solution to those problems? So let me share with you a couple good questions you can ask to help identify where are they currently, where are they trying to go, then what's the problem. Before I share those questions, let me actually show you a good visual representation of what I'm describing. So hopefully on the screen here you can see the best way to approach a conversation as a financial advisor with any center of influence, CPA, an enrolled agent, an attorney, is to diagnose the situation, right? Completely let go of your attachment to yes or selling. What we want to do is have an attachment to understanding the situation, okay? So we start with understanding, as you see there, first of all, where are they? By asking some genuine digging questions. Then we want to understand where are they trying to go, right? Where they want to be. So where are they? Where do they want to be? And then again, what is the biggest issue in the middle there that's stopping them? So here is the script that we give advisors that we are working with. This is the exact script that we've used since 2009, forming partnerships ourselves with accountants. We've run multiple seven-figure businesses now for the last few years, and these digging questions really get at the heart of what is in it for them. So we start out first by figuring out where they currently are. What motivated you to take the time to meet with me today? How long have you owned your own firm or been with XYZ firm? What's your ideal client? How many of your current clients would you say match that description? Percentage between W-2 employees versus business owners. How are you currently getting new clients? What are you charging clients? Then we transition. So that's all, where are they currently? Then we're transitioning to, if you could put your finger on the biggest challenge in your business, what would that be? And we never want to answer these questions for them. We just want to ask open-ended questions. Let them give us the information. And then next, so tell me, what would you like to see in your business over the next 24 months? So you see what we've done there? Diagnostic questions. What's the biggest challenge? Where would they like to be? And then we circle back to the biggest challenge by saying, so tell me, what's stopping you from solving whatever they told you was the biggest problem and achieving where they want to go on your own? Now, if they say nothing or there's nothing stopping me, I can do it on my own, that's great. Do it. There's no need for you. In which case, again, you just want to say next. Hopefully, they're self-aware enough, they realize their business needs help, that they will give you an honest answer. So once we understand those three key pieces of information, where are they currently, where are they trying to go, what is the biggest thing stopping them, then we can have an honest conversation and really ask ourselves, can we help them get there? Can the value that I bring as a business professional help them solve their biggest problem and help them get from where they are to where they're trying to go. If the answer is no, we thank them for their time. We literally do not try to sell them anything. If the answer is no, we thank them for their time. It's next. If the answer is yes, we can help them. Then it becomes a simple discussion about our area of expertise and how what we do can help them address their biggest problem, and together, how we can move them towards their ultimate goal, right? So, to summarize in this video, what I would encourage you to do is just take some time to think about not what am I selling, not how am I packaging this to be sexy and attractive to any accountant I sit down with, not focusing on what products have they heard about or not heard about, but rather focus on what questions am I asking to genuinely understand where they are? What questions am I asking to genuinely understand what their challenges are? What questions am I asking to understand where they're trying to get to? Am I a valuable enough professional to help them address those biggest problems? If you get nervous asking those questions because you're not sure if you bring enough value to the table, then that means you need to do more work on yourself. It doesn't mean you need to call more CPAs. It doesn't mean CPAs don't give referrals or are terrible partners. It means you're not valuable enough at this point to work with them. Good news, you can become more valuable. You just have to learn from somebody that has done it. We've done it now over 1,000 times with advisors and accountants all across North America. Happy to show you exactly the scripts we use, email templates, phone templates, talking tools that we use. You can have all of that stuff. If you can do it on your own, if you feel like you already are valuable enough, then all you need to do is start having those conversations and the marketplace will tell you. It's the great thing. It's immediate feedback. If you think you're already valuable enough to help CPAs address the biggest issues in their practice, then just start meeting with CPAs and having that conversation. But make sure you are prepared by having those questions scripted out and don't sell them. That's it for today's video. I hope you find this concept helpful. If you do want additional insight from CPAs on what they actually are looking for, you can head to our website, elitert.com/reviews. You'll see dozens of reviews from advisors and accountants that have worked with us in this model. And the reason why they work with us, the answer to what's in it for them, will vary. You'll see some advisors that say, money's not the problem. I was already making a solid 6 figures. The problem is I haven't seen my 6-month-old in 2 months. Other advisors would say, I'm working with so many clients and so hard, and all I'm taking home is $60,000 a year at the end of the day. I'm not getting nearly enough money. So again, the problem depends on the individual. Diagnose the problem, don't sell a solution, become more valuable. That is the key to working with CPAs. Thanks.